back to one more video of my channel Rishika Banerjee, and in this channel I make videos relating to the syllabus of class 9 and 10 biology. Today a very important topic, that is carbohydrates. In the previous videos I have explained you about vitamins. Today we will be starting about carbohydrates. Let's not waste any time and let's go into the subject, into this topic. Very important, short topic, not a very big topic, but let's go into it. Okay. So carbohydrates. Question is carbohydrates. A small recap of what I said is carbohydrates and lipids are a source of what? These two are a source of energy. Okay. Next, vitamins and minerals are a source of metabolism. Clear? And proteins are a source of bodybuilding. This is something which I have already explained in the video of vitamins. It is a previous video. So definitely carbohydrates is a source of energy. How I will explain you with an example. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, I'm rubbing this. It's already there in the previous video. Please write this in your copy. Very important. Very important this. Okay. So yeah. So carbohydrates is a source of energy. Okay. One more thing you have to understand, students. That is how the formula of carbohydrates is C, H and O, where C is 1, H is 2 and O is 1. This formula is also very important. CHO 1, 2, 1. Now let me explain this how. Now we have all taken glucose. Yes, what is the formula of glucose? Can you see? The formula of glucose is C6H12 and O6. This is the formula of glucose. Understand? If I cut this is 1, this is 2, this is 1. So yes, is it glucose the source of energy? Because students, it is always said that if you see the players who go for running or play for a long time, they have a bottle. In that bottle they have glucon D, they take glucose. Why? Because that is the source of instant energy. So this glucose is taken for a source of this glucose is taken by the players, right? Why? Because it is a source of instant energy. It will give you instant. This will give you instant energy. That is why they take this. Okay. Now you understand how this formula have come. See, this formula have come from 1, 2, 1. C1H4. This is glucose. That is why I said that glucose is a source of instant energy. If you if you come from schools and all, in the very summer season, you will see in a bottle we take orange glucon D is there, white color glucon D is there. Why? Because it is a source of energy. Or even somebody, if they are fainted, if they get fainted due to heat or any other reason, then this glucon D is given to them. Why? Because this glucon D is a source of energy. Now understand how it is related, how carbohydrates. Just remember this, that glucose is a carbohydrate. Glucose is not a vitamin. Glucose is a carbohydrate. How have you related this? Is it clear to you? Is there any problem? No? Okay. Now, we have to understand this. This formula is important. Please write whatever writing, please write with me, okay? Or you can take a screenshot. It's easy, it's nothing there to write. To understand and take notes. Okay. Next you have to understand that this carbohydrates, we have monosaccharides, disaccharides and polysaccharides. Okay, monosaccharides, disaccharides and polysaccharides. Mono means 1. Always we notice that mono means 1. Di means 2. And poly means many. What are things that will be coming here is, just remember this monosaccharide, glucose, galactose and sucrose. These three are your monosaccharides. Glucose, galactose and not sucrose, fructose, not sucrose. Fructose. These three, glucose, galactose and fructose are monosaccharides. You have to remember this, there is no other way. Next, which are the disaccharides? Just remember that the disaccharides are, first is maltose, second, okay, so monosaccharides are glucose, galactose and the fructose. Disaccharides are sucrose, maltose, sucrose and another is your lactose. Maltose, sucrose and another is lactose. And here if I am talking about the polysaccharides are glycogen and second is starch. Starch is, remember, glycogen, the food that is stored in our body is in the form of glycogen, and starch is the food that is stored in plants. Okay, it is the form of starch. Just remember, food stored in, this is food stored in plants is in the form of glycogen, and here just remember human, nothing else. Now glucose is also known as blood. Glucose is also known as blood sugar. It is known as blood sugar. Okay, understand? Fructose is known as the fruit sugar. Fructose, no, fruit, from here you can remember this, fructose. And galactose is known as brain sugar. Clear? Clear? Any problem? Okay. Lactose, how we are getting? We are getting lactose from glucose plus galactose. Okay. We are getting maltose from glucose plus glucose. And sucrose we are getting from glucose plus fructose. Glucose plus glucose plus sucrose is glucose, maltose is glucose plus glucose, this is lactose plus glucose, and this is glucose plus I think this is glucose, this will be glucose, yeah, sucrose will be glucose plus fructose. Yes, that is why I was confusing. Glucose plus fructose. Clear? This is very important chart. This is a chart that I have made in a short form so that it becomes helpful for you. Please know this very nicely. This is very important. I sometimes get confused with this one every time, because see, this is something which I have practiced like more than 10 times, because that is why how you can remember. Here I get confused number of times I write. So yeah, carbohydrates is the source of energy. Monosaccharides are there, disaccharides are there, and polysaccharides are there. Mono means only one sugar is there, di means two, and poly is always like more than two, many are there. Okay. Monosaccharides have glucose, galactose and fructose. Fructose is called fruit sugar, how you remember? Fru, and then from here fru. Galactose is called brain sugar and glucose is called blood sugar. So the blood that you get sugar is the glucose. Disaccharides, we will have the maltose, we will have the sucrose, and we will have the lactose. Okay, maltose is glucose plus glucose, sucrose is glucose plus fructose, and lactose is glucose plus galactose. Okay, and polysaccharides are glycogen and starch. Starch is what? The food that is stored in the plant is in the form of starch, and food that is stored in us is in the form of glycogen. Understand? This is all about carbohydrates. A short crispy video for you, because before exam if you go on a video of 10 minutes it becomes easier for you. Okay. So I'm ending this video here. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Meet you all in the next video, and please share this among the people who need this. Thank you so much.